Today we are going to be answering a burning question that all of you have. How much power and torque does the world's weakest junkyard big block actually put down with a big massive turbo? Now, I call the 8.1 the world's weakest junkyard big block because that's kind of a nickname that the collective internet has bestowed upon the 8.1. I'm not entirely sure it's actually all that weak. When I first turbocharged the truck, I was really concerned with how it would hold together because of the internet. But after the last year and a half of beating on this thing, I'm thinking this thing is actually a lot stronger than people give it credit for. As of right now, we are running about 20 pounds of boost. We have E85 fuel in the tank, and that means we have a lot more timing than I normally run. So we're going to find out how much power and torque it's going to make. We're going to a dyno day. Hopefully there's a couple other cool vehicles there that I can show you. Orange line. And yeah, that's kind of the objective for the day. Just for context, the last time the Ugly Truck was on the dyno, it was making like 13 to 14 pounds of boost, a lot less timing than we have now. It was only on pump 91 octane fuel. And in that configuration, it made something like 580 horsepower and it's like 906 pounds of torque. Through an unlocked converter, we're gonna do probably a locked converter run today. I'm hoping for like well into the 600s, maybe 700 horsepower. I don't know. I mean, this is kind of like unknown territory, so let's find out together. Right there. Okay. on if he just brings the load on. That's kind of usually how I do it.
Mine will just have it set as load as soon as the gun's going.
Okay.
And so as soon as the rollers start moving, it's loaded.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
817 and 1140 for torque. We're like 18 pounds of boost for that run.
What do you think, Lawrence?
I'm happy. That's a good number.
The more you turn,
Just let it go. I mean, they're both pretty close, right? I mean, within.
Yeah, you got 817, 804.
Yeah.
But you made 1,032.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. No, I think I got into it a little sooner, and then it spooled up a little better that time too. So no, I'm happy. No sense to keep beating on it just for a number. Okay. Well, guys, I'll admit I'm in a little bit of kind of a state of shock or disbelief right now, because right now we actually have the highest horsepower of any cars that have already run today from what I saw on their little spreadsheet. The world's weakest junkyard big block just put down 817 horsepower and 1,140 pounds of torque at the rear tires. It doesn't even make sense to say it, but I am really, really impressed with the numbers that it puts down. And of course, this is just a starting point, because remember, we have a completely different engine build that's going to be replacing the junkyard big block very soon. So I'm going to go watch a few more dyno polls and enjoy the rest of the event. So big thanks to Advanced HP in Layton, Utah. This is kind of like their grand opening dyno day. So if you need anything, LS performance related, engine swaps or whatever, check them out. I know they have a Facebook page. I'll link it down below for them. But in terms of the Ugly Truck, I am blown away by how well that Junkyard 8.1 performed. And I definitely don't think it deserves the title of the world's weakest junkyard big block, because 800 horsepower at the wheels and 1,100 pounds of torque. And that's at the wheels. Just imagine how much it's actually making at the crankshaft. It blew me away. I was only hoping for high 600s, maybe 700, 720 horsepower, but 800, it surpassed all of my expectations. And now I kind of want, I know I shouldn't keep doing this, but I kind of want to turn it up even more. I don't know. I mean, could it make 1,000 at the wheels? I don't know. I mean, I think we're asking for trouble at a certain point, but totally blown away so far. 800 horse at the wheels, junkyard big block. So all those people who said it's going to blow up at 5 pounds of boost, well, you can see the results. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to see the engine that's going to replace my junkyard big block, check out the video below, but it's a 535 big block. I'll link it up in the corner, wherever it's supposed to be. Thank you guys for watching. Come back soon.